Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. So, I specifically went to Hobby Lobby just to look for clearance items. So, this is a short video. So, let me show you just a few things that I found. So, here is some, the card stock that they sell individually. Usually, like the prices are usually on the back of them. This went from $3.99 to 95 cents. So, I didn't even, it was already open. So, it looked like somebody looked at it already, but I just grabbed it just because it was like less than $1. So I was like, okay, I'll figure it out. But look at this. This is so cute. You could give this, if you're a teacher, you could give this to your students. So the thing with these is you may not always get like the proper quantity. So I'm just going to quickly count how much. So it looks like you're getting 10 sheets of this. So it says it is 50 sheets of 8.5 by 11. So 10. This is really pretty. But let's see. So it looks like it's about 10 of these. And then you got this. I love anything with black backgrounds. You got these beautiful ones. Oh, and so for the record, on the back, so this is 59 cents. So we're talking about $6 almost right there for 10 sheets. 59 cents for this, another $6. With tax, or maybe a little over. Another $6. Look at these cute little nutcrackers. So this was actually a nice pack. 59 cents each times 10. And then the same here with this plaid. And what is this? Oh, okay. So that was 95 cents for 50 sheets of 5 by 7 paper. So you do the math. I found these. Uh, these were 23 cents. There were two of them from $1.99. That's backwards. It must have came off of here. But this is like the soft like vinyl. The back of it is cloth. Probably use that for like a notebook or something. Then again, another 50 sheets, 8.5 by 11 for 95 cents. So I'm assuming it's going to be 10 designs of each. So this is patriotic, Toro Americana. So look at that. Pretty. And I need this. I don't have enough of this type of paper. When Memorial Day comes around, Veterans Day, or 4th of July, or just straight American Pride. I really like this one. USA. Then you got this one. And then look at that. Fireworks. How pretty for less than $1. So that was a good buy. And they had only, out of these ones, they only had one of each. So then I've got here, don't ask me what I'm going to do with this. I don't know. It was $1.24 down from, if I remember correctly, I think these were like $7.99. These are flocking fibers or like flocking powder. So yeah, they had some colors were on sale and some weren't. I love purple and pink, so I got the two different color pinks and the purple. Don't know what I'm going to do with those. I found these. This ink pad was from $1.99 to $1.99 to 49 cents. So it is, hopefully it's not dry. Like seriously. And then I got this one down from $4.49 to $2.24. This, see, people be opening these. You know what? I'm gonna pluck the speck out of my eye before I try to point at the one in somebody else's. I be opening them too. Sorry. Yeah, that's one of the little rules that I break. I shouldn't. I only do it at the top, but these were already open. So this is vellum. Okay, let me just start off by, let me tell you the price. $3.99, 50 sheets of 8.5 by 11, vellum. Okay, vellum. This is all vellum. This is 99 cents a sheet. So we're talking about $50 here. Yeah, you do the math. So we got some peppermint or candy cane, whatever you want, a red stripe. We have, okay, well, this is odd. One snowflake. See, that's the thing about these packages. You may not get. So if they only gave me one of these, they gave me more of something else in here. Because this looks like about 10. 4, 6, 8. Okay, actually it's 8 pieces, 9. Well, I didn't count to see if it's 50, but regardless, it's $4. Okay, here is 99 cents again for some spring. Let me see if I can get a sheet, get some white here to show you the backs of it. Just a moment. Get a piece of this here. So this is what it would look like on white cardstock. And then this is the Candy King one. And then this one, I have some snowflake vellum though, from Crafters Companion. So yeah. So here we go. Here is some metallic paper. These are 79 cents. So it looks like there's about 7 of these. I thought this was all vellum until I looked in it, but I like this. I can use this for the Christmas. Here is some pink hearts vellum, and this is what this looked like on white paper. Super pretty. There is not quite 10 of these, so there are 5, 6, 7. There are 8 of these. So I don't know if somebody stole some paper out of there. This feels like more than 10. So I think in the peppermint, no, in this one they gave me more. And this is 99 cents. And the heart was 99 cents. Now you can check your Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure if they're gonna still have this design, but yeah. 6. Yeah, this is more than 10. 8, 10, 12, 14. I'm counting 15 unless I don't know how to count. So this is what it looks like on white. So that's that pack. I got another pack. And again, that one was $3.99. So since this is all not 99 cents, some of it was 79 cents. So less than $50, but for $3.99. And then for the final pack of paper, I got this one. Now, I would have bought it just for the cotton candy. Like, are you serious? It's so mean. $3.99, 50 sheets. This one is like super tape. So like an Amazon package. So let's see these. So we got, looks like party paper, I guess. So we got cotton candy. How pretty. Doesn't feel like, is it 10? It might be. So we got cotton candy. We got juicy watermelon. Oh, look at this one. We got some donuts. This is like so cute. And this one. So I think out of all the packs, they all, had good prints. Obviously, we need celebrations and birthdays all year round for our projects. And then we got some circles or polka dots. I don't know. I would say circles. So that's this one. So yeah, so what do you guys think? That is from, one particular location I went to. That's what they had that I liked. So I will scout for some more clearance deals. Thank you so much for joining me. See you next time. Bye.